Are you looking for the best blender? In this video we will look at some of the best blender on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. NutriBullet NBR-1201. The NutriBullet NBR-1201 is a powerhouse blender designed to make your blending experience a breeze. With a robust 1000-watt motor, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest ingredients and turns ice into snow in seconds, perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. One standout feature is its Auto IQ technology, which takes the guesswork out of drink making. The intelligent programs utilize unique time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to achieve optimal results, doing the work for you and ensuring consistently delicious blends. The blender boasts professional blade performance with pro extractor blades that rotate at high speed, effectively liquefying ingredients into smooth nutrient extractions, smoothies, and purees. This means you can extract vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables to create healthy and flavorful drinks. Number 2. NutriBullet NBR-1201 SS. The NutriBullet NBR-1201 SS is a compact and powerful blender designed for convenient and efficient blending. With its 700-watt push-to-blend motor base, it can easily handle various ingredients, ensuring a smooth blending experience. The pulse technology enhances its performance, making it capable of powering through everything inside the cup. One of its standout features is nutrient extraction, allowing users to unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and vegetables. This means you can extract drinks rich in vitamins and nutrients, utilizing even the parts that are typically discarded. The blender is also equipped for frozen blending, enabling the crushing of ice and pulverizing frozen ingredients. This functionality opens up possibilities for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. Number 3. NutriBullet 770. The NutriBullet 770 is a powerhouse kitchen appliance designed to cater to a variety of culinary needs. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, equipped with a robust 2+ horsepower motor, can turn ice into snow in seconds, allowing you to create creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. The 8-cup food processor bowl ensures even chopping and can effortlessly make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. With 1,500 watts of performance power, the NutriBullet 770 offers 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, allowing you to customize your drink-making experience. The on-the-go convenience is enhanced with 2 16-ounce Ninja cups that come with to-go lids, perfect for crafting personalized, nutrient-rich drinks to take with you wherever you go. Number 4. NutriBullet Blender. The NutriBullet Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify your meal preparation. Its compact design includes a 250 watts motor base that powers various accessories, such as the crossblade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, and a to-go lid. The cups are constructed from high-impact plastic, ensuring durability. With the NutriBullet, you can effortlessly chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and more. The 250 watts high-torque power base provides efficient performance for a variety of tasks. Whether you're making smoothies, omelets, sauces, dips, or other dishes, this blender is equipped to handle it all. Number 5. NutriBullet NBR-1201. The NutriBullet NBR-1201 is a powerhouse for those seeking a convenient and efficient way to incorporate nutrient-packed smoothies into their daily routine. With its powerful 600-watt motor and advanced nutrient extraction blades, this blender transforms whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach into liquid fuel for your body in a matter of seconds. The package includes a 600 watts motor base, extractor blade, milling blade, a handled cup, a 24 ounces cup, an 18 ounces cup, cup rings, stay fresh resealable lids, and a recipe book to inspire your smoothie creations. The stainless steel extractor blades utilize cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend. The high-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are not only durable but also easy to clean.